Hello, in this video tutorial I'm gonna demonstrate you how you can edit and how you can define the floor properties. In the first part of this tutorial I will demonstrate you how we can define the floor properties in a new project. Therefore we select the layer ground floor. We make a right mouse click and we select Properties. The ground floor properties open and here we can define different parameters. The level is the relative height of the lower edge of the corresponding floor. Usually for the ground floor the level is 0 meters. For the cellar, minus 2.80 meters, and for the first upper floor, plus 2.80 meters. The roof height is measured from the top edge of the ceiling to the lower edge of the floor. The next parameter is the clear height. The clear height is measured from the upper edge of the floor to the lower edge of the ceiling. The clear height consists of the roof height minus the floor and the ceiling. The height of the floor and the ceiling together is 0.24 meters. The roof height is 2.80 meters. 2.80 meters minus 0.24 meters is the clear height with 2.56 meters. If we enter now, for example, for the floor 0.10 meters and for the ceiling, for example, 0.20 meters, the clear height is 2.50 meters. The settings for the wall paneling have no visible impact in the planning. The wall paneling parameter is taken into account in the area calculation and the evaluation of the project. The default value can also be edited afterwards in the wall properties. When all parameters are correctly defined, we can confirm with OK. In the second part of this video tutorial, I'm gonna demonstrate you how we can change the floor properties in an existing project. Therefore, I have already created a 2D view and a section view. Please note, section views are not available in the product version Cadvilla Basic. Now we click on ground floor, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. The ground floor properties open and in the first step we will define the roof height. We enter for the roof height, for example, 3.20 meters. After it, we define the floor height, for example, with 0.16 meters, and the ceiling, for example, with 0.24 meters. After it, we confirm with OK. Now we select the section view and we press the shortcut D for the function distance. When we measure now the distance from the upper edge of the ceiling to the lower edge of the floor, we can see that the distance is 3.20 meters. That's the distance of the roof height. That's correct. After it, we press Escape. Now we measure the distance of the ceiling the distance is 0.24 meters, that's correct too, and we press again Escape. The only height which hasn't changed is the height of the floor. The reason therefore the floor height has not changed because the floor height could already be defined in the current room. The new defined floor height will be automatically accepted when we will create a new room. We will show you this process now in a short example. Therefore, we extend the existing wall in the middle of the room to create two rooms out of one single room. We select the 2D view. Now we press the shortcut V for the function Extend Wall, and we extend this wall to this wall. After it we press Escape. We have created now a new room, and when we select the section view and we zoom a little bit into the view, we can see that in the new room the floor height has changed. At the old room to the left, the floor height is still the same. For information about changing the floor height manually, you can take a look at our video tutorial, Room Labeling. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.